Hello and namaste everyone. You're watching Smarty Tech Face and I'm Anjali with a new video for my lovely creators. So today we will talk about that how we can create thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails very easily, very quickly and without using any tools, any online apps, anything else. Okay, so how we can create it? So we will create the thumbnails using a very simple, a very simple tool. I don't say it is a tool, it's just a very basic things you all are already having. That's a simple PPT options. You may be using the Microsoft PPTs, you can be using the Google Slides itself that is present in the drive. If you are not having a Windows system, maybe you don't have a Microsoft PPTs, but you all must be having a Google account. Okay, if you are having a Google account, you must be having a Google Drive link, and in the link you can go and click on a new and use the Google Slides, and they are actually providing you two options, that blank presentation or from a template. We will see that how we can create a thumbnails using this, because this is a very important thing, that if you are having a very attractive thumbnails, and there are more chances that the peoples are attracting to your videos. You can see the videos, I think more than 80 videos I have uploaded, and first almost for first 5 or 10 videos I haven't uploaded any thumbnails on it, but then I realized that it must have a thumbnails. Then I learned what are the thumbnails and how we can create it. But everyone was saying about the online tools, online website. Just go to the Google and just type the create thumbnail for YouTube online. You must be came across many online websites there to create a thumbnails. You just have to click and drop all the things. I have also used the Canva. You can go and use any of the websites. You can be used anything, but I am talking about the free and very useful thing, that is a Google itself. Google is providing you everything. Google is providing your multiple images, multiple type of background and multiple text options as well. So why not you are using this itself? Because in every problem you are just going to search in a Google, and Google is showing you the answers. So if your Google is showing you the answers for every question, then why you can't use the Google Slides for it? Because if you are searching for anything, it is available here. I'm just showing you some examples here, so you can go see every video thumbnails I have created the Google Slides only, except one or two. I think this one is created I have using the Canva. So you can go and use any websites, any tools available out there, but I am talking about the Google Slides. So let's see how we can create it, and I will also show you the sample that particularly for this video how I have created the thumbnail. So you can see that this is the Google template that is provided by the Google Slides. You can see that Google from a template. So I have selected this template, and in this template I have created the thumbnail like this using this slide. You can see I have just changed the color. I have put my text on it. I have put the image here too. You can okay, this is the image only. So this is the image which I have put here. This is also image that is already provided by this presentation. You can see this is the image that I have used from here. So there are multiple options. You can even use the template presentation already given by the Google Slides, or even the PPTs you have, PPT tools you are using. Just put out your text, put out your images, what you want to be, put out your colors on it. If you want to changes, go to the present and just go to the full screen. And after if you are landing on the front screen, just hold on for a second and then take the screenshot of it. So this screenshot you can take it out and use it as your thumbnail. So now let me show you how I am creating the thumbnail for particularly for this video. So this is the thumbnail which I have created particularly for this video. So you can see there are multiple thumbnails I have provided here. So all the thumbnails I have almost created using the Google Slides. So this is the thumbnail which I have provided. You can see take the present and use the present option, take the screenshot and save it. So what I am using here for the background, I have used this this option. If you want to show any color, you can choose any of the color. You want the gradient option, you can go with the gradient. You want to put out any images, like me, I have put the image in the background. Like this, I have just searched for the light orange background and I put it this background here and go and insert. In this way you can create the background for any thumbnail. So I have created the thumbnail background. Now I want to put this light image. You can see this is the limelight image. So what I have done is, there is an option for insert image, search the web, and I have searched like limelight, and when I searched for the limelight, it provided me this image. So I like this image, I just used, click on it and insert. When I insert it, it will show me like this. Okay, you can see this here too. So this will show you like this. Now after creating the background things, I just want to put my text on it. So this is the text. You can see I have used the word art option. Go to the word art, put your text on it and just click enter. So in this way you will be able to enter the text. You can even use the text option given here. Now you can see this is the YouTube image. This is also I have got from this option. So just put the YouTube PNG. You can put it here, and you have multiple YouTube images are given by the Google itself. If you are not satisfied by this image, go and search in the Google itself, and after searching in the Google will provide you all the images what you wanted to be insert. Okay, so after inserting the image, I just put the text here too. Now these all are the images. You can see these all are the images. I have take the screenshot from the slides which I have created earlier. So this is one of the slide which I have used here like this. This is the one of the slide which this is simple and sober. I don't want to provide much time on it, so that's why I have just used the shapes. You can see there are many shapes provided by the slides, Google slides. So you can use any of the shape like me. So I have used this shape and put it my text here. You can see all the text here and change the color of it, put the image here. This is my image, I wanted to put it out, and this is the text which I have put it here. So in the same way, this is also an image which I already have with me, so I wanted to put it here. If you want to put your image, you can go and put your image here. So in this way you can create a thumbnails without using any other online tools, because this is the simple thing you can use while using your Google Slides or your PPTs. I think everyone is having a Google account. Almost everyone is having a Google account if you are using any YouTube. So go and use this, and Google is here for you. Just click on it, just search for the image, search for the text what you want to search, and just download and put it here. Just take care about the copyright issues, because there may be someone can put the copyright issues on you. So go and present and click on the screenshot, take the screenshot of it and put it on the thumbnail option while uploading your YouTube video. So this is how you can create a YouTube thumbnails, and I hope this is the best way you can create a YouTube thumbnails without using any online tools. I will not say this is the bestest way, because there are many online tools available and there are many options that is given already there. So that is how you can use using the online tools. This is the offline way you can use. Yes, Google Slide is the online way, but if you're having a PPT, Microsoft PPT or any PPT options, you can use their template and go and change the color and put the text there. So this is all about today's topic. Hope this will help you, and if you agree, just give the feedback to me. I commented below. I will take your feedbacks, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you.